Now I have an honor and pleasure to announce the message, pre-recorded in Warsaw, the message of Radosław Sikorski, Deputy Prime Minister and Minister of Foreign Affairs of the Republic of Poland.
Dear Minister Gunnarsdottir, dear Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, it's a pleasure to speak on behalf of the outgoing Polish CBSS presidency. When we took over from Estonia last July, we knew the road ahead would not be easy. Our goal was to strengthen the Council's political pillar through a sharper focus on regional security issues. This was our response to Russia's intensified hybrid and disinformation activities in the Baltic Sea region. It was encouraging to see that we share similar ambitions for the organization's future. The Sopot Declaration captured that spirit and sent a strong message. Our work does not end there. We need more coordination, including on matters related to the law of the sea. We appreciate Reykjavik's support in advancing the CBSS reform and welcome Iceland's readiness to build on the progress achieved. Poland remains ready to support your efforts. Ladies and gentlemen, this year marks 80 years of Poland-Iceland diplomatic ties. Warsaw sees Reykjavik as a trusted ally and a crucial voice in the Arctic and the North Atlantic region. We share views on numerous international issues. Our relations are stronger than ever. Not only due to geopolitical alignment, but also thanks to people-to-people contacts. The Polish diaspora is the largest foreign community in Iceland. Their hard work, enthusiasm and creativity contribute significantly to your country's success. Ladies and gentlemen, the Baltic Sea and the Arctic are the center of evolving geopolitical and security challenges. Fortunately, the countries of the region understand one another and share responsibility for our neighborhood. We lead Europe's effort within the EU and NATO to strengthen its security and readiness to respond to any threats that might arise. And we must stay on this path. Dear Icelandic friends, I wish you every success with your upcoming CBSS chairmanship. Thank you for your attention.